Hey folks, today I want to talk to you about citrus fruits and how to use it to get rid of cellulite or any excess fat that you can't get rid of. So what happens when you consume these? They literally are very astringent, so they pull toxins out. So if you have cellulite is usually deposited because your body is highly acidic and the body is pushing acids from your 100 trillion cells and from the food you eat into the fatty deposits. So it looks like cellulite, as it looks, very stubby and uneven. So the way to get rid of cellulite is to, first of all, long term, change your diet. You want to stop eating meat, animal products, starches, cooked foods, and replace them with fruits and vegetables. At least the majority of your diet should be fruits and vegetables. So I'm talking about 80% fruits and vegetables and 20% cooked, if you can do this. It's very easy to do, to be honest with you. It's very simple. Like when you're eating fruits, you wake up in the morning, you have your fruits, there's no cooking, there's no preparation. When you have your lunch fruits, again, no cooking, there's no prep. This saves a lot of time, the cost is far lower, and the health benefits are amazing. So to transition into a citrus detox plan, all you have to do is, for a week, eat fruits and vegetables. So it could be like breakfast fruits, lunch fruits, and dinner salad. And do this for a week. And if you have to, you can have some steamed cooked vegetables. After the week is done, you can transition into just citrus. So you have, for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you will have juice. You juice a few oranges with a grapefruit, some tangerine or clementines, and a grapefruit. And that combination, when you juice it together, it's going to literally melt the cellulite away for you. It's called a cellulite buster, cellulite melter, whatever you like to call it. It just works amazingly. Of course, it's going to take some time. It's going to happen overnight. It may take a few weeks, but you're going to see the skin improve, your hair improve, your body improve, and your health improve. So I hope this helped you. I hope you give the citrus detox a shot. It's very simple. Get good organic oranges and lemons and tangerine if you can. If you can, that's fine. Just make sure you wash it and juice it 3 times a day. That's all you have. You watch your weight drop, watch the cellulite go away, and watch your health improve. So I hope this helped you.